Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at and unbox the GoPro Hero 8 Black Edition from Costco. Alright, so I picked up the GoPro I bought from outside after it got delivered. And I thought I'd do a unwrapping video, I guess. So I got this from Costco. It's the Hero 8 Black. And it comes with the carrying case, extra battery, SD card. Oh, I guess it comes with an SD card reader too. The adapter. And a holder. So, very excited to start using this for the channel. Let's see if I can open this with one hand, and I probably can't. So, there's going to be a cut. Okay, got the box open. A little messy, but, you know, it worked. Let's get this unzipped. Okay, so, what do we got? We got the dividers here. We have the charging cable, USB. Probably something for the holder. Is this the holder, actually? The stick. The selfie stick. Let's see. It is. Oh, and it has like a foam grip on it too. That's good. Wrist strap as well, so you don't drop it off the cliff you're probably going to be scaling / exploring. Alright, so here's the GoPro itself. It's pretty warm actually. I mean, it was outside for a little bit, and it's gonna be close to 115 today, so I mean, couldn't have been great for the battery, but it is what it is. It's pretty warm. I'll let it cool down before I actually do anything with it. And then, is there something under here? A little secret compartment? Probably not. Here's the 2 batteries it comes with. Nice. This is exciting. I've never had a GoPro before. This will be my first time. That's cool. It comes with a tab to help you pull it out. Alright, going back to the carrying case. You have the manuals, it looks like. Extra papers to throw out. Ooh, these stickers? Yeah, you get stickers. And what else do you get? Ow, jeez. Batteries are pretty hot still. Alright. You have your mini SD card with the adapter so you can plug it into computer or another camera, I guess. Manual. It's the last time I'm ever gonna look at that. Just kidding. So yeah. Put all this next to each other. So yeah, here's what you get with the GoPro Hero 8 Black Edition if you buy it from Costco. Okay, now for a closer look at the GoPro itself. So once again, this is the Hero 8 Black GoPro. Came out last year, I think, late in 2019. Just as an overview, here's the battery compartment. You have to pop this out, and then you can lift it, and then battery goes right here, and then there's the USB-C to charge it, and you can kind of see it right there. There's the slot for the SD card. Popping that back into place, you have the front of the GoPro with the lens, and then there's this info screen to tell you how long it's been recording for. The power button is on the left side, right here. Click it and then you click it again for changing the modes. Here's the record button, and then let's see, let's turn it on. So, what do you get? You have the screen itself, and then I'm gonna do this. Hold it like this, I guess. And then you can. It's a touch screen, so you can just touch the various options. And right there, it turns on the hyper boost, which is the stabilization. Click here, and then you can choose between photo mode, live burst, burst mode, night mode. Those are the different photo modes. You have to swipe left and right to get to the video and the different modes. Oh, sorry, there's the hyper burst button. And then click here. And then you have the different video modes. You have standard, activity, cinematic, slow-mo, and then you can add your own by clicking the plus sign at the bottom there. Your own custom modes, I should say. And clicking the little pencil icon over there will allow you to change the more in-depth settings. So yeah, works pretty well, and I am excited to start using it. So here's what the video looks like panning next to a lake, and it's pretty clear. The sound is also really good because there's also the function where it reduces the wind noise, so you don't really hear it as much and you hear more of your voice or others speaking. And then here you can see the different video options for the field of view. The first one is linear, which is a little bit more narrow. Then you get to wide, which you see a little bit more on the sides. And then you get to super view, which is the largest, or the widest, I should say, field of view. Is this taped on? So why is that? Is that part of the aesthetic? It's supposed to be crooked? Whatever. Alright, so that was the unboxing of the GoPro Hero 8 Costco edition. So, until next time, see ya.